Um, what's your like the actual confrontation with Team? How did that happen? Is there gonna be one?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, to add on lang to what you asked earlier, I was talking to Carmi. I said, even my character, when she was first presented to me, was totally different. And then they started filming mga August yata, September, mga ganun. And I came into the picture mga late October na. And when I got there, things were totally different. As in, naalog talaga ako, what happened? Parang, kasi in the beginning, parang siya dapat Cameron Diaz, dun sa My Best Friend's Wedding. Ganun ka-light and bubbly na innocent, ganun. And because of what we did with the exercise, they asked us for feedback. After reading, we all read the material, the draft of the script. Ibang-iba yung naging atake ng character ko. So, timing din na iniba din na rin ni Inang, na sabi niya nga nag-iba na yung confrontation. Kasi sa tingin ko, sa ganong sitwasyon, mas totoo na ganon ang reaksyon mo. Kasi hindi ko rin, although syempre kapag if you're asked to do something, you'll do it. But it will take a harder time for you to believe that your character or any person would actually react that way. You'll have to give it a bit of effort talaga. But with this one kasi, although my character is a little, I hate to say this, she's more dignified than I am. Kasi ako yun. Sa ganong eksena, talagang si Patty was grabe. Ang tigas niya. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Ang tigas niyang babae. And I really enjoyed playing her, but I don't think I can play her in real life.
That's one of my favorite scenes. That's one of my favorite scenes.
Ako naman, syempre, paborito ko yun. At syempre, may eksena din kami ni Papa Pina nung dinab ko. Ay, ang ganyan pala nun. Ano na po kasi late, tumitila ako na yung manok, hindi ko na naramdaman na maganda pala yung ginagawa namin. Nagawa lang. Tapos pagtingin ko, ay, yay! Yeah, so yun. Yun, confrontation scene. It's something to look forward to.
Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. Hi, Direk. For Direk po siya kay TJ. Sa trailer po kasi merong love scene. So, paano niyo po ginawa yun? Knowing na si Tony hindi naman din siya sanay sa gano'n.
Favorite scene ko rin.
Mga ilang takes po ba yun?
Favorite scene ko rin yan kasi animalistic siya.
Okay po. Tapos kay Piolo, dun sa love scene ulit, inalalayan niyo pa si Tony doon? Or paano ba? Sexy ba yung dating ng love scene? Or nasa comedy part siya?
Sexy. Sexy. It was sexy. Even how it was executed. Pero pag napanood nyo, it'll be different.
Ikaw lang ang na-sexy. Funny siya. Funny.
Hi, good afternoon po, Direk. Question ko lang po kay Direk.
Sorry, anak. Sorry. Kasi hindi ko pa na nasagot yung tanong niya. Si Tin kasi, her core really is comedy, right? So yun. So, when we were doing from day one, she knew about the love scene. And really, she was, parang sa lahat-lahat na nandun sa script, nagandaan siya, character, walang problema. Yun ang kanyang palagi pinoproblema, yung love scene na yan. So yun, so nung ginagawa na namin yung love scene, hindi ba yung nakita yung nahalikan siya rito, etc. Palagi siyang bago ikunan niya, tulala. And she would ask, paano yun? Ano gagawin doon? She was very, very worried and concerned na magmumukha siyang hindi maganda. Yun. So, tapos sinasabi niya na, pinanood ko lahat ng mga love scenes na ginawa mo, from Milan to etc. ganyan. Hindi ko po kaya gawin yung mga ginagawa nila. So sabi ko, talaga hindi mo naman kaya, tsaka hindi naman bagay sa'yo. Sabi ko, so iba ang gagawin natin dito. But one thing I can say about Tin is that she really gave it her all. Full trust. Yun lang. So that's why it came out more than what Carmen and I imagined it to be. So, it's something to look forward to. Sana magustuhan niyo.
Good afternoon po. Question ko lang po kay Direk siya kay Ms. Carmi. Kasi picking up from 13 years after yung commercial po ni PJ at ni Tony before, coincidence lang po ba na parang sa first part ng movie na parang si Tony pa rin yung parang may crush kay kay Piolo dun sa ano? Or talagang nandun po talaga sa script yung story na yun?
Nasa script talaga. Parang from the beginning, ang initial discussion namin